XRP has seen better days. Apparently, the federal government, with the SEC in charge of this investigation, has said that they believe that XRP, which is owned by the Ripple company, is a quote-unquote unregistered security, which means there are some problems with trading that or owning it. And right now there's significant decline in the value. In fact, I told you in a previous video that I was buying XRP, and I did at the time, and I have since sold out 100% of my position in XRP for a lot of reasons. So there's not a whole lot to say about it other than when the government investigates, it results in the decline in the value, and it's up to anybody's view. My brother's taking a contrary view. What do you think? And he thinks that there still remain value in this.
Well, it's like a lottery ticket. If you're not in it, you're not going to get anything. If they come out of this lawsuit and survive, then it's probably going to have a pretty good jump. Who knows? It might even end up opening up at $3 when it opens. Who knows?
We don't know.
I have no idea, but or it could crash to zero. Nobody knows. But if you have the view that you just put it on a little bit, there could be some outstanding potential. So big risk, big reward.
Big risk, big reward.
Don't go all in, of course, because who knows what's going to happen. I have a very small position at this point. It's went down so much, it doesn't make too much difference selling it or not.
Yeah, I guess it's down 60% from where you bought it at or something like that.
Maybe more than that.
So here's a problem with XRP my thesis. XRP is supposed to be used by banks in the long run or financial institutions, but the problem has to do with the fact is that that if it's under SEC investigation, it's unlikely institutions want anything to do with this for the time being. And that's a big problem, because that's the only reason I wanted to own XRP, is because the institution supposedly would want to use it because it's kind of faster than Bitcoin. It's kind of an improvement upon Bitcoin, that it has a little bit of different kind of philosophy. It's faster. It would use less energy because it's more centralized. But if it's under SEC investigation and nobody wants to use it, then what are we really holding then? I mean, there are a few businesses that take XRP. I just told you there's a business that takes XRP and sells you coffee. I think it's called like XRP coffee or something like that. And so I think that's not really why I bought XRP. I didn't buy it to buy XRP coffee or anything like that, right?
Probably not.
So what I would say for people, if you don't already own XRP, I think it would be best probably to wait on this. I mean, that's what I will do. I will wait on this. I'll see what happens after all of the government issues are resolved. And if they are judged to be okay and it's fine, it's trading again, and doesn't look like there are further problems, then it might be a good buy once again. But we don't know how long this lawsuit or issue with the SEC will last. For all we know, it'll last many years. Maybe by then there'll be something even better than XRP by then. So I think that's one reason why a lot of people are dumping out XRP. Who wants to wait for years to see what's going to happen next on XRP? I certainly don't. Anyway, hope that you don't have too much of your money in XRP. I don't have anything in it now, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. Definitely subscribe. Touch that like button very lightly. It really helps with the Google algorithm. And subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.